Have a look at the amount of walkable space in this living room. So you get your two sides of parallel platform, your master bedroom. Again, a very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you 2 BHK sample flat tour of Parkwoods by Dynamics located in Thane West, Anand Nagar. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. This road right here leads you to GB Road, that is Godbandar Road. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, so this project is made on a land parcel of 2.36 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 55 floors with a configuration of 2 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities including swimming pool, gym, kids play area, banquet hall and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Anand Nagar, Thane West with Vijay Garden Metro Station at a distance of just 2 minutes, GB Road at a distance of just 1 minute, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 15 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let me give you this 2 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 733 square feet. So as we enter, right here is your small foyer space. And then to my left is your kitchen. Come, let's have a look at the kitchen. So you get your two sides of parallel platform. Just look at the space in this kitchen. There's so much of walkable space. You have this whole wall dedicated for your cabinets. You can even construct a wall over here and have cabinets over here. They have kept it open, but it's on you how you design your kitchen. Right here where your platform ends is your refrigerator area to store your refrigerator. And then outside you get a small dry space for your washing machine. Now let's go ahead and check out the living rooms and other places. So as we walk ahead, right here is going to be your dining space right in front of your kitchen. So a 4 to 6 seater of dining space can easily accommodate. They have kept it like this, but if you place the dining table like this, 8 seater of dining space can easily accommodate in this place. And then right here is going to be your living room. Have a look at the amount of walkable space in this living room. And then you get this French window attached to your living room with attached balcony. So you can enjoy your morning coffee, tea in this very nice balcony with a nice, amazing open view. You're even getting a straight forest view. Have a look at it. Now let's go check out our bedroom number 1. So as we move ahead, first comes your bedroom number 1. Just check out the space in this room. Again, a very spacious bedroom. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's enough walkable space in this room, both the sides. Right there, they have given you your study zones. There's so much of space in this room that they've given a dedicated study place as well for you to attend your online meetings, read books, complete your office work. And then right here is your wardrobe space. So this wardrobe area is not disturbing your bedroom space, it's inside. And then French window attached with a nice balcony. Again with an open view, mountain view. Now let's go ahead, check out the other rooms. As we move ahead, right here is your common washroom. Have a look at it. Again, a spacious common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And now we'll be checking the master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video, sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out our master bedroom. So as we move ahead, right here is your master bedroom. Again, a very spacious master bedroom. After placing a whole king size bed, there's so much of walkable space in this room, designed really very well. And then here ahead comes your attached washroom. Again, a very spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Right in front is again your wardrobe space, designed the same way inside so that your space is not disturbed. And then comes this French window with a balcony. So this is going to be an attached balcony with nice mountain view. So every room is very well designed in this house. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Dynamics Parkwood by Dynamics Group. To get more information about this very amazing project, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.